Hello students, this is Sangeeta. Welcome to e-learning section. Today in this section, we learn about nitrogen fixation, why nitrogen fixation is needed, importance of nitrogen fixation, uses of nitrogen fixation and types of nitrogen fixation. So what is biological nitrogen fixation? Biological nitrogen fixation is the term used for a process in which nitrogen gas from the atmosphere is incorporated into the tissues of certain plants. Here only a selected group of plant is able to obtain nitrogen this way within the help of soil microorganism. All plants including forage crops need relatively large amount of nitrogen for proper growth and development. Among forage plants, the group of plants known as legumes are well known for being able to obtain nitrogen from air. Nitrogen fixation. So what is nitrogen fixation? Nitrogen fixation is a chemical process by which molecular nitrogen in the air is converted into ammonia or related nitrogenous compounds in soil or aquatic system. Atmospheric nitrogen is molecular dinitrogen, a relatively non-reactive molecule that is metabolically useless to all but a few microorganisms. Nitrogen is obtained by plants mainly from the atmosphere. The other sources of available soil nitrogen may be amino acid from decaying organic matter, animal excreta that is urea, and chemical fertilizers that can be absorbed directly by the plants. It occurs as a free diatomic molecule in the air and it is highly inert gas. It cannot be used directly by the higher plants and therefore has to be fixed. The phenomena of conversion of free living nitrogen into nitrogenous compound to the plants for absorption is called as nitrogen fixation. So why nitrogen fixation is needed? To be used by the plants, the nitrogen must be transferred through a process called nitrogen fixation. Secondly, fixation converts nitrogen in the atmosphere into the form that plants can absorb through their root system, and the bacteria get energy to photosynthesis, and in return they fix nitrogen into a form the plant needs. So what is the importance of nitrogen? Nitrogen is also a component of the chlorophyll molecule which enables the plant to capture sunlight energy by photosynthesis, and nitrogen plays a critical role within the plants to ensure energy is available when and where the plant needing to optimize the yield. Next, uses of nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is essential to life because fixed inorganic nitrogen compounds are required for the biosynthesis of all nitrogen containing organic compounds such as amino acids and proteins, nucleoside, triphosphate and nucleic acid. So next, what is the types of nitrogen fixation? There are two types of nitrogen fixation, that is physical nitrogen fixation and biological nitrogen fixation. Physical nitrogen fixation again has two types, that is natural nitrogen fixation, industrial nitrogen fixation. The equation explains that under the influence of lightning, that is electric discharge in the cloud and the thunder, nitrogen and oxygen of the air react to form nitric oxide. Again the nitric oxides are oxidized with oxygen to form nitrogen peroxide. And this equation explains during the rains nitrogen combines with rainwater to form nitrous acid and nitric acid. The acid falls on the soil along with the rainwater and react with the alkaline radicals to form water soluble nitrates and nitrites. The nitrites are soluble in water and are directly absorbed by the root system of plants. Next, industrial nitrogen fixation. Ammonia is produced industrially by direct combination of nitrogen with hydrogen at high temperature and pressure. Later, it is converted into various kinds of fertilizers such as urea. The next type is biological nitrogen fixation. The conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrogenous compound through the agency of living organism is called as biological nitrogen fixation. And this process is carried out by two main types of microorganisms, those which live in close symbiotic association with other plants and those which are free living or non-symbiotic. Biological nitrogen fixation is the process whereby atmospheric nitrogen is reduced to ammonia in the presence of nitrogenase. Nitrogenase is a biological catalyst found naturally only in certain microorganisms such as the symbiotic Rhizobium and Frankiae or free-living Azospirillum and Azotobacter. And this is about today's section. The question may be expected are: what is nitrogen fixation? What are the importance of nitrogen fixation? Uses of nitrogen fixation, and what are the types of nitrogen fixation, and define biological nitrogen fixation. These carries 2 to 5 marks. Thank you.